We are going to start. There are mainly the two kinds of immunity: humoral mediated immunity and the cell mediated immunity. So first upon humoral mediated immunity. Humoral means the body fluid, okay, and humoral mediated immunity is also known as the antibody mediated immune system. It is based upon the antibody production by T lymphocytes or the B lymphocytes, and the antibodies freely circulated in humor means body fluids such as the blood and lymph, and which deal with invaders and toxins. One thing is very important here: humor means body fluid. So antibodies inactivate the invading microorganism, that is bacteria or whatever may be any kind of, and which are disposed of phagocytosis. The antibodies are found in the fluids such as plasma of blood and other body fluid like the lymph, tear, saliva, and the CSF means cerebrospinal fluid. The organs such as spleen, lymph nodes, and bone marrow are the site of formation of antibodies. Humoral immunity works mainly against antigens dissolved in body fluid, extracellular pathogens, and pathogens primary bacteria that multiply in the body fluids and but rarely entering the body cell. So lymphocytes are the important factors in the humoral mediated immunity. Lymphocytes are particular type of white blood corpuscles or leukocytes, or it is a granulocytes, and lymphocytes of the blood are the main cells which are involved in immune system. They form the second most abundant WBCs, that is which constitute about 20 to 30% of the blood in liver of fetus and the bone marrow in adult. There are the stem cells called present, called hematoblast. I have already explained it in last period, which are the precursor of lymphocytes. The matured lymphocytes produced from the stem cells by the process of hematopoiesis or lymphopoiesis, and some of these get matured into bone marrow itself, and some of them matured in thymus gland. So those are matured in thymus gland known as T lymphocytes, which plays a very important role in cell mediated immunity, and those are matured in bone marrow known as B lymphocytes, and which plays an important role in humoral mediated immunity. So B lymphocytes and their role in humoral response is very important. The immature lymphocytes which undergo their maturations in bone marrow itself, and final differentiation takes place in lymphoid tissue of spleen, tonsils, bare patches of the small intestine, appendix are known as the B lymphocytes or the B cells. B lymphocytes are involved in the humoral response and release antibodies into blood plasma and lymph and the tissue fluid also. So when the B cells meet on the foreign antigen, the antigen binds to surface receptor of the B cell like key fitting into the lock, like the key and lock fashion, and the B cells are now so said to be as activated. So activation stimulated the B cell and to grow and rapidly multiply to produce a clone of plasma cell, and plasma cell produces the antibody. Newly formed daughter B cells differentiated into two type of B cell: plasma B cell, it is also called as the effector B cell, and the memory B cell. Okay, so this plasma B cell, also called as the effector B cell, the plasma cell virtually become an antibody factory and releases antibody at an amazing speed of about 2000 molecules of antibodies produced per second, and each plasma cell function as the great pace for 4 to 5 days and then dies. The plasma cell do not move to the site of infection. The released antibodies pass through the body fluid like the humor, and hence antibody mediated immunity is also called as humoral mediated immunity. The released antibodies circulate, binding to complementary antigens and making them off for destructions. Then memory B cell. Memory B cell are produced from B lymphocytes in response to foreign antigens, and it is also called as the primary immune response. The memory B cells ever ready to attack if a second infection were to occur. They retain their immunological memory and produce a rapid, stronger, and more effective response against old enemy if the body is exposed to the same old antigen again. So in this way the response generated by the memory cells is called a secondary immune response, and the memory cells live long as 20 years, some live for whole life of individual. Hence some disease which appear in childhood do not occur in adult, that is a chicken pox. Before their death, they can pass their information to their progeny. So this is a function about the memory B cells, and now start the T lymphocytes and the cell mediated immunity. So this cell mediated immunity is also called the cellular immunity or T cell immunity. The cell mediated immune system consists of highly specialized cells which work against pathogen that enter the body. In this concurrent lymphocytes can directly with invaders by lysing them or by activating other lymphocytes and the macrophages. So the immune system also kills its own cells which have become cancerous and work against transplant. So cell mediated immunity is effective against intracellular pathogens such as viruses, fungi and bacteria that reside within the host cells, some cancer cell, foreign tissue transplant. Then these immature lymphocytes which originate, again I already explained, from the bone marrow, and they are migrate in thymus gland and matured in thymus gland, undergo maturation or immunocompetent in thymus gland, are called the T lymphocytes. Stem cells in bone marrow, then which are immature lymphocytes, then that is called the thymocytes, and they are matured in thymus gland and called the cell mediated. They play a very active role in the cell mediated immune system. So T lymphocytes do not produce antibody. They attack the cell infected by microbes, cancer producing cells and the transplanted tissues. T cells matured in thymus gland, which is situated in the chest near heart. T cells have a lifespan of about 4 to 5 years or even longer. T cells also respond to antigens by producing a clone of T cells like that of the B cells. And the clone of T cells produced to respond to antigen are similar in structure, but they perform the different function, and they are of two types such as killer T cell, helper T cell, suppressor T cell and the memory T cell. So first upon killer T cell. So killer T cells are also called the cytotoxic T cell or cytolytic cells. This cell reach to the site of infection